Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram account. So let's start. First open the Instagram app. Since I have already logged in on my account, I'll just create an account right now. Type in your username. Tap next. And if your username is invalid, it will show here. You can add a phone number or you can add an email. I'll just stick with phone number and type in my password. And now tap continue to sign up. If you want to connect to Facebook, then tap on connect to Facebook. I'll just skip this process. Tap skip. If you want to add a photo, you can choose from your gallery or import from Facebook, or you can also take a picture. So I'll just add one from my gallery. And tap on the arrow icon on top right corner. Now tap next. And your Instagram account is created. If this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.